Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to make homemade wipes in light of the coronavirus. As you know, the stores are all out of Clorox and Lysol wipes. So today I'm going to show you how to make homemade wipes. Before we get started, let's pray. Lord, we thank you for the people who are watching this, Lord. We thank you for today, Lord. We pray for the people who are getting sick from COVID-19, Lord, that you will make them feel better, Lord. And, Lord, these hand wipes that are about to show them how to make, Lord, that they will be spread around the world, Lord, so people can use them and get better, Lord, and be sanitized. And we just thank you and bless you. In Yeshua's name, amen. So today, I'm going to show you how to make homemade wipes. So I already have the wipes in the bag. I'm gonna make hand wipes and wipes or whatever you're touching, like your shopping cart or whatever you're touching. So here's my ingredients: water, germicidal bleach, alcohol, and tea tree oil. So first I'm going to make the hand wipes. So right now I'm just using alcohol, water, and tea tree oil. This is tea tree oil soap, but you can use tea tree oil, whatever you have that has tea tree oil in it. So first I'm going to put the alcohol. Put a little bit of alcohol in. And put the tea tree oil, a little bit of tea tree oil in. And now put the water. What I'm doing with the water, I'm using it to incorporate all the ingredients into the wipes. Okay, so we're done with our hand wipes. Now all you have to do is shake it up, or you can do this what I'm doing, or you can shake it up. You can do it however. Alright, so now we're just going to use germicidal bleach and water, because the tea tree oil and the alcohol and the water are only going to be used in the hand wipes, because you don't want to use the germicidal bleach. Okay, so now let's make the shopping cart wipes. So we're going to put the bleach first. And put a little bit of water. And then like I did with the hand wipes, you just do this, or you can shake it like I said. Okay, looks like we're done here. If you want to subscribe to us, Lord, you just hit the subscribe button. If you want to give us, if you want a batch of these wipes, just give us, just hit the comments below. And if you want to look at more videos on this channel, just hit the link below. And I hope you like this video, and just go, if you want more videos like this, go on Orlando Slang. It's on YouTube. And hope you like this video.